Now if you watch the spell check training video, you'll recall that when we came across some misspelled words that weren't misspelled, like these essential oils for Melaleuca and Vetiver, we just right-clicked on them and went down and added them to the dictionary. When we did that, Word no longer sees that as a misspelled word because it compares that word to what it has in the dictionary, and we just added it to the dictionary. You can right-click on that one and add it as well. Now if I made a mistake and want to update the dictionary or add more words to it, come up here, click on the File tab, go down to Options, come up and click on the Proofing tab, and there it is, Custom Dictionaries. Click on the button and there's the default custom dictionary. Go ahead and click on Edit, and there are the two words, Melaleuca and Vetiver. When I go ahead and select them and delete them, and click OK, and then click OK and click OK, you'll get red squiggly underlines back because we removed them from the dictionary. Now, this custom default dictionary here didn't contain all the hundreds of thousands of words that could be misspelled. I mean, that's another part of Microsoft Word that we don't have access to when we edit the custom default dictionary here. This is for us. Now, if we want to go ahead and add additional dictionaries, let's go ahead and click on New, and let's type in, let's do friends. Click Save. So I've got my custom default dictionary and an additional one that includes all the names of my friends. Because let's say I got a bunch of friends who have weird names that are misspelled. So if I want to add them to the dictionary, I can't right-click on them within the document because when I do, it'll go to the default one unless of course I want to change the default for a session and click on Change Default. Now when I right-click my friends' names within the documents here, it'll go and add it to the friends dictionary. Of course, I want to be careful to not right-click on anything else that I don't want in my friends dictionary. So now that I changed the default, let me click Okie dokie, click Okie dokie. Remember, we changed it to the friends being the default, so if these were my friends, Melaleuca and Vetiver, hello, they're kooky names, but they're unique. Go ahead and right-click and say you want to add it to the dictionary, and then let's check it, File, to Options, Proofing, Custom Dictionaries. This is the default. Click Edit. There it is, Vetiver. Go ahead and select it, delete it, click OK. Change this back to the default. And then if I want to go ahead and add my friends to the dictionary without having it at the default and right-clicking all the misspelled friends words within the document, then select it, go ahead and click on Edit, and then just type in their names up above. Like my name is a name that Microsoft Word considers misspelled. I mean, come on, there's a Kirtland, Ohio. I guess if I just add the land after Kurt, it will be okay. And then click Add. So you can manually go ahead and type them and add them down below to the dictionary. Let me go ahead and click Cancel. If I'm done with this, I no longer have friends, go ahead and click Remove. Click Okie dokie, click OK, and we're back to where we started before we added these misspelled words to our default dictionary. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.